An Excel worksheet is made up of rows, which go across, columns, which go up and down, and cells, which are the individual little squares you enter your data into. Rows have a number assigned to them, columns have a letter assigned to them, and you refer to a cell by the coordinates of the column and row that it lives in. This cell, for example, would be cell B10. To start entering data, click the cell you want to type into and type. When you're done, you can either hit Return or Tab to get to the next cell. To make changes to a cell that already has text in it, you can either overwrite what's in the cell by clicking it once and just start typing, and it will replace what was in there before. You can also double-click a cell, which gives you a text cursor inside, and you can click inside the cell now to move that cursor around, and you can delete or retype or make whatever changes you need. To move a cell, first select it, and then put your cursor right to the edge of the cell, and you'll see it turns to a crosshair. You can now click, hold down the mouse, and drag, and it will move that cell wherever you want it to go. To delete what's in a cell, you have two options. The first is called clearing, and it just removes what's inside a cell. You do that by selecting the cell, and you can just hit the delete or backspace key. You can also right-click and choose Clear Contents. Your second option is to delete the cell, which not only clears out the contents, it deletes the cell itself. To do this, we select the cell we want to delete, right-click, and choose Delete. And because we can't have a black hole in the middle of our spreadsheet, Excel asks us what we want to do to fill up the space that's going to be left when we delete this cell. We can either shift the cells left, shift them up, or delete the entire row or column.